You just found the 2018 Toyota Camry Hybrid. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this impressive Toyota Camry Hybrid. It's the family sedan that packs advanced safety features, the latest infotainment tech, premium interior comfort, and powerful performance into an elegant package. It delivers all of this, plus hybrid efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, chrome wheels, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, dual zone AC. Hybrid efficiency never felt so luxurious. Treat yourself to a test drive in this exquisite Camry Hybrid. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will make it the best part of your day.